GoHighLevel has launched its Summer of AI and you can massively benefit from it whether you are brand new to HighLevel or have been an active user for years. In this video, I'll walk you through all the benefits of the Summer of AI, how you can get them, and what extra bonuses I have for you. We'll cover the opportunity to get HighLevel at half price, use all AI features completely for free, and extras like over 120-page master prompts for the AI Studio. I'll now go through every single option for you, but first, I'd really appreciate a like and something nice in the comments. And please share this video with everyone you know in the HighLevel space. Let's go. Two quick but important notes up front. The 50% offer runs from June 1st through June 7th, this week only. The Summer of AI as a whole runs from June 1st through the end of August, and some offers will be available that entire time. But the 50% discount is truly this week only. It will probably come back at some point, but nobody can say exactly when. So my clear advice, use this week. Please don't wait until the very last moment, because once it's over, there's nothing I can do for you. Let's start with the promo deals for new users, all available this week. You can now start with HighLevel without using the free trial period, and in return you'll get 50% off for the first 3 months on every plan. You can see here what that looks like. In the starter plan, you would pay for 3 months $48.50 instead of $97 per month. For the unlimited plan, $148.50 instead of $297, and the Pro plan at half price as well. Remember, that's for the first 3 months. After that, you can either downgrade or just keep going at the regular price. Hopefully, by then you'll have enough clients to more than cover it. But don't worry if you're already an active user. You won't be left out. That's something I always think it's really important to highlight. If you're currently on a HighLevel plan, you can upgrade and take advantage of this up to 50% off deal as well. Let's say you're on the starter plan and want to move to the unlimited plan. You still only pay half, so $148.50 instead of $297 for 3 months. You can also jump directly from starter to the Pro plan. Same deal, you pay half the price and can test everything at your own pace. You won't find it cheaper than this. Or maybe you're on the unlimited plan and want to move to Pro. That's possible too, and you stay at the same $297 per month you're already paying. So you get all Pro features added on for free for 3 months. Important, make sure to use my link, which you'll find below this video. And for everyone who already knows they'll be sticking with HighLevel for a long time, there's also a discount for annual subscribers. You'll find that under the same link as well. And now it gets really exciting because this is the Summer of AI, not just the Summer of 50%. HighLevel has now divided all AI features into 3 separate categories. I'll walk you through all 3. We start with the Copilots. These include Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI. If you have any questions about what each of these does, just drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to reply as quickly as possible on this video. AI Studio will be completely free to use until the end of August. That's now officially confirmed. Up until now it was always, we'll keep it free as long as we can, but we can't guarantee anything. Now it's certain. Free until August 31st. Same goes for Ask AI. You just need to sign up for the promo. The second category is the specialized agents. These include Voice AI, Conversation AI, Reviews AI, and Content AI. You can get all of these completely free for 30 days. But there's one condition: you're only eligible if you haven't had an active AI Employee Unlimited plan in the last 90 days. You'll be able to see whether you're qualified directly in your account when you click the link. One more important thing to know: after those 30 free days, you'll automatically receive another offer, another 30 days for the new AI Growth Plan. You won't miss it, it'll come to you automatically. And here it is. Then we have the third category, which I find particularly exciting, especially looking ahead to the future. There will be a new $50 plan. This plan includes all specialized agents, perfect for those who don't need everything, but still want full access to the agents at a manageable price. It also includes the prompt optimizer and the knowledge base, the 2 newest AI features HighLevel has just released. And now let's talk about something I'm personally really excited about, our collection of over 100 master prompts for the AI Studio, and I'd love to give them to you for free. With these prompts, we create impressive websites, modern, unique base websites for over 100 different industries. Each prompt is around 20 pages long and specifically tailored to its industry. You open it up, everything is already structured and ready to go. And of course, you always fine-tune a few things as you should. A lot of people have already claimed these because I've mentioned them in previous videos. Now you have the chance to get them automatically when you use the Summer of AI deal through my link below. I do want to be upfront about one thing. The prompts are in German because I originally created them for my German-speaking community. I think you already heard that I'm not an English native speaker. But that's genuinely not a problem. You can easily translate them into English using Claude or ChatGPT or anything else, and they work just as well. If you'd like to get the prompts for free without going through the deal, starting today there's a new menu item called AI Suite on the left side of your agency account. Click on Plans, then Manage Offer and enter the German letters KI minus, it calls kostenlos, in the affiliate ID field. Confirm and you will automatically receive access. I'm really happy that this automation is finally working reliably after a long time in development. Finally, a quick word on questions and feedback. This week is an exceptional one for me in the best possible way. I've kept my schedule as clear as possible so I can respond to every single question as quickly as I can. I'll give it everything I've got. Just drop your questions in the comments. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, even though my English is so bad. I'd love to see you in the comments. Let's make the most of this summer of AI together. See you there. Bye.